Have you ever wondered why humans have a belly button? It is through the umbilical cord that the fetus receives nourishment from the mother's body. In fact, the belly button is a scar left behind from where the umbilical cord once connected. Surprisingly, even after birth, a person can continue to receive beneficial substances through the belly button. There is a theory that the belly button is connected to the central bloodstream. How does this help in treating various ailments and promoting wellness? It's quite simple, just apply different oils to the belly button, as recommended by many traditional healers. To influence the body and activate it, they suggest stimulating and warming the abdominal area. Will massaging the belly button with oil have a positive effect? In this episode, we will explain in detail how this simple yet effective method can help with various diseases and health conditions. The belly button is a very important structure in the human body. Ancient Chinese and Ayurvedic medical systems, which have existed for over 5,000 years, consider the belly button as a unique center of the human body, the focal point of 72,000 energy channels through which all organs and functions of the human body are regulated. In Chinese medicine, the belly button is seen as a reservoir of energy. In the East, it is believed that negative emotions and nervous tension are concentrated around the belly button, and massaging it in the morning and evening helps to relax. Therefore, by influencing the belly button, one can have a healing effect on the entire energy system of the body. The Chinese even cover the belly button area in hot weather, believing that this area is sensitive not only to wind but also to regular coolness. This part of the body is easily susceptible to cold, which negatively affects the internal organs. Through the belly button, various medicinal oils can be delivered to the body, accompanied by gentle massage around the belly button. In China, for the treatment of various pathologies, plasters and ointments with herbal ingredients are applied to the belly button area. In the system of Qigong, the belly button is considered a channel connecting humans to the universe. By stimulating this area, the circulation of positive qi energy and blood in the vessels is enhanced, aiding the work of the heart and ensuring the most proportional distribution of vital micronutrients throughout the body. Slavic folk medicine also acknowledges the special role of the belly button. Among Slavic people, the human body was divided into the upper, pure, and lower, impure halves, with the boundary passing right through the belly button. In ancient Slavic medicine, the displacement of the belly button was considered the cause of many disorders, both physical and mental. This is not surprising, considering that this area contains a large number of nerve endings and blood vessels. Moreover, many major veins and arteries are located in close proximity to the belly button. In conventional medicine, the belly button serves as an access point for laparoscopic surgeries. Medical professionals use it as a landmark, the central point of the anterior abdominal wall, which is divided into 4 quadrants. The range of issues where belly button oiling can be used is very broad: dry eyes and poor vision, insomnia, cracked lips and dry heels, pancreatic, stomach and intestinal disorders, joint pain, common cold and chills, decreased potency, dullness, dryness of the skin and hair. To alleviate and prevent dryness of the eye mucosa, improve hair and skin quality, and prevent fungal nail infections, it is necessary to apply 3 drops of coconut oil to the belly button and the surrounding skin before bedtime. The person should be in a horizontal position. It is recommended to warm the oil to a temperature of 36 to 40 degrees Celsius, making sure it does not burn the skin. It is important to note that the effects of a single application may not be immediate. These procedures should be done consistently to experience improvements. Ayurvedic medicine suggests activating the chakras once a week by massaging the belly button area and the surrounding region, with rosewood or sandalwood oil. Jojoba oil can be used for cleansing the belly button. To alleviate knee and joint pain associated with gouty or rheumatoid arthritis, as well as osteoarthritis, it is advised to apply castor oil to the same area before going to bed. Mustard oil, when applied to the belly button and the surrounding area in 3 drops, can help relieve tremors in the limbs, alleviate headaches and joint pain, and eliminate dry skin. Sesame oil is also recommended, as it is well tolerated by most individuals. However, it is important to be aware of individual intolerance or allergies to any product or medication, so it is advisable to ensure good tolerance of any oil before starting such procedures. Concentrated oils can be allergenic or irritating to the skin, which is not without risks. It is crucial to use natural oils specifically because when the belly button is oiled, they are partially absorbed and enter the body, participating in metabolic processes. Therefore, for external procedures, oils that are safe for consumption should be used. These can include olive oil, sesame oil, coconut oil, as well as clarified butter, ghee, from cow's milk. Olive oil deserves special mention. It contains a substance called oleuropein, which inhibits the growth of microorganisms. Additionally, it contains polyunsaturated fatty acids such as omega-3, omega-6, and omega-9, as well as vitamins E and A, which are excellent for softening and restoring the skin. Aromatic essential oils can also be used with caution, but it is important to maintain the proper proportion to avoid harming the body. If used in combination with a neutral base oil like olive oil, their impact on the receptors in the nasal cavity will be minimal, and they will not irritate the mucous membranes. For stomach and intestinal pain, peppermint or ginger essential oils can be helpful. It is recommended to mix them with a base oil, such as olive oil, in a 1-to-1 ratio. However, it is not advisable to assume that this method can completely replace medical treatment, nor should one forego medical examination. If stomach pain or pain in other abdominal areas occurs, it is important to consult a doctor to avoid dangerous complications. Speaking of precautions, it is worth mentioning that these procedures should not be performed on children under 6 years old, as well as on pregnant and breastfeeding women. How to properly perform navel oiling. Dirt and sebum can accumulate in the navel, so it is important to remember to clean it. Before the procedure, make sure to thoroughly and gently wash and dry your hands and the navel area. If using essential oils, it is essential to dilute them with neutral base oils. The procedure should be done while lying on a bed or a couch. Pour the warmed oil into a teaspoon and always check its temperature to ensure it does not burn the skin. Then, using a drop at a time, pour the oil into the navel, but no more than 4 drops. Next, apply the oil on the palm and gently massage the area around the navel in clockwise circular motions, making approximately 30 rotations. After that, cover the navel with a cotton pad and cover the patient with a towel. After 15 to 20 minutes, remove the towel and blot any remaining oil to avoid staining clothing. In execution, this procedure is very simple and can be used for body wellness. In case of severe pain during menstruation, the navel can be coated with a small piece of cotton soaked in brandy or menthol oil can be used. For diarrhea, the navel can be treated with mustard oil, and during a cold, cough, and sore throat, both mustard oil and thyme oil, which has expectorant properties, can be used. Thyme oil relieves spasms, helps remove mucus from the lungs and bronchi, maintains tone in veins and arteries, reduces blood pressure, and mitigates the impact of stress on the heart. As a diuretic, thyme oil helps reduce swelling. Thyme oil should not be applied directly to the skin, it should be diluted with olive, coconut, or almond oil. Often, due to stress or improper skincare, the face appears pale and lifeless. If you want to achieve radiant skin in a short time, it is beneficial to use almond oil for the procedure. It is also very useful not only for the skin but also for the hair. Juniper oil is suitable for improving potency and sexual function. Share this video with your friends and loved ones, like and subscribe to the channel to stay informed about all the useful content. See you in the next videos.